It's a nice breeze. It's 60 degrees. And dry. Nice and dry. Like me. One of these showed up in Plano for $10. It's a bit of a drive, but I don't even give a crap, so I'm not even gonna go get it. Plus I'm looking for my childhood TV anyway, which is newer than that. And not a pile of garbage. As far as I know. Last night the power went off for a second in a city over in some random place. But here's the funny part. I was gonna transfer some files off my phone to the computer, and as soon as I plugged in the USB cable, the power went off for a second, but not completely, because time on the VCR didn't get wiped out. And neither did my alarm clock, my clock radio. And the TV went off, the converter box went off, the computer went off, my brother's computer went off, but not everything. Out in the other bedroom, the clock was still on. Sorry for the background noise. Got balloons. So yeah, there's a short little video for December 28th. It's windy out there. It's a pretty nice breeze.
Hello, operator? Get me the police. Quick, this is an emergency. Don't do it, Pop. Please don't do it. Hello, police? Listen, I just found a note that my father left me.